Good afternoon, my dear sisters and brothers. We continue to hear today from the 6th chapter of St. John, his story about the multiplication rather of the loaves and the fish. And after these people was cleared out, what was this kind of bread that was multiplied for them? To which the Lord responded their question today, "This bread of God is that which comes down from heaven and gives life to the world." We heard them of another request. "Sir, give us this bread always." And Jesus replied to them that whoever comes to me will never hunger, and whoever believes in me will never thirst. And I'd like you to notice those words, always, will never hunger, will never thirst. At kapag naririnig po natin ang mga salitang ito, tila isa rin po ang pinapaalala nito na ito ay isang bagay at katotohanan na pangpalagian. Dala-dala araw-araw. Pinanghahawakan kada oras ng ating buhay. And for such, we get to have this beautiful reminder in our faith life, my dear sisters and brothers, that having Jesus constantly is living life gracefully. Having Jesus constantly is living life gracefully. We've heard that today the martyrdom of the first martyr, Saint Stephen. And in the face of these people wanting to plot a tribe against him, he was there gracefully facing his martyrdom, praying, raising his eyes up to heaven, having seen that revelation of Jesus and of his Father, and lovingly trusting his life unto the hands of God. And we wish to have that kind of experience, that while we are continuing fighting this life, while we are pursuing, while we are persevering every day, while we are fighting, because we know that we have Jesus every day. And that is why we will face every day gracefully. Hinarap ni San Esteban ang kanyang pagkamartir dahil alam niyang dala niya si Jesus, kaya hinarap niyang ito ng puno ng grasya. At tayo din po, humaharap tayo sa iba't ibang mga sitwasyon ng pakikipaglaban sa kasalanan, pakikipaglaban sa mga pagod natin, pagharap sa mga umuusig sa atin, sa mga pagod at sa madaming krus ng ating buhay. And we wish to face them gracefully. And the secret is that to bring Jesus with us every day. We also exclaim to Jesus that same request, "Give us that bread always." And as we have Jesus every day in our lives, let us remember, we will face life gracefully. Mahirap man, alam nating may katulong tayo. We know we are struggling, but we know someone is there to guide us. We know that this life is indeed real, full of crosses, full of trials, but we know how Jesus in our hearts every day will lead us to graceful moments all our days.